Izakhamuzi zakuleli ezizinze eUkrauine zisichathe njengesethusayo kakhulu isimo ezibhekene naso selokhu kuqala ukuhlasela kuleli yazwe. Kanti ngale kwalokhu babhekene nokucwaswa emngceleni.
Which took us 4 days to travel. 4 days. Even the traveling alone was a problem. Trains were 24 hours. Trains were heavily crowded.
We had no money. We had to hustle for money to try and get taxis to get to the border.
Even taking a taxi was very risky because cars are a target.
Laba baphephile emva kokufinyelela eBudapest eHungary kanti bazobuyela emakhaya ngolwesihlanu.
Our plan now, tomorrow is the 3rd of March, which is our flight. As I said, it's every man for himself. We have to use our own money, credit cards. We have to see what we have to do.
Some of us paid school fees thinking that we're going to continue with school, but there is no university. How can you continue with the school when there's no university?
It's bombed down.
Usomaqhinga waseRussia uthi bahlasele eUkrauine ukunqanda ubungozi benozim.
Western countries must not build military facilities in the territory of former Soviet states. Ukraine still has Soviet technology and we can't fail to respond, and we are committed to our responsibility.
Umengameli waseUkrauine uthi iMoscow ifuna ukukhipha nje eUkrauine emlandweni.
They don't know a thing about our capital, about our history, but they all have orders to erase our history, erase our country, erase us all.
IRussia ilokhu ithola umfinyo kodwa iChina ithi izoqhubeka nokuhwebelana nayo. Kusenjalo abafundi bakuleli bavaleleke eUkrauine batheleke kuleli namhlanje kuseni. Lokhu kushiwo umnyango wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba. Kulindeleke ukuthi abanye abafundi kuba babuyele emakhaya ensukwini ezizayo.
28 they have been assisted to cross into the Hungary border. We've got Ambassador Tengiwe there and his team who have been facilitating the movement of South Africans into Hungary. So this 28, it's not just students, also other South Africans.
Umonyela uthi abafundi abangamashumi 21 bathole usizo bakwazi ukubalekela emazweni omngomakhelwane eHungary.